back. He'll be back. We're gonna go shopping. Shopping. He's gonna come back. We're gonna go to the mall.
No.
Mall. We go. Do you want to go shopping? Shopping. You are loud. You ready to get out? You got a boogie? All right, let's go get your boogie.